Hello everyone, welcome back to Health Naturally. Today I will be discussing a very common problem faced by all working women, that is polycystic ovarian disease or polycystic ovarian syndrome, that is abbreviated as PCOD or PCOS. This video will give a brief insight on how to maintain your health and get free from PCOD or PCOS. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to Health Naturally, where I upload health related videos every Saturday at 7 p.m. Like, share and comment, and also share it with your friends and family members and get the benefit of your health from your home. Polycystic ovarian syndrome or polycystic ovarian disease is a common, complex and heterogeneous endocrine disorder with its myriad of acute and long-term complications. Polycystic ovarian syndrome symptoms have a tendency to begin progressively. Regularly, hormone changes that accelerates PCOS begins in the early youngsters after the first menstrual period. Indications may be particularly after a weight gain, hirsutism, excessive hair growth, usually in a male pattern. Growth is centered on the body, calf muscles slightly below big toe on feet, thighs below navel, between breast and mustache region. Sometimes thick eyebrows and cheeks too. Facial hair or thinning of the scalp hair. It is regular for PCOS symptoms to be confused for other medicinal problems. Early symptoms of PCOS include few or no menstrual periods. This can extend from less than 9 menstrual cycles in a year, more than 35 days between cycles, to no menstrual periods. Some ladies with PCOS have regular periods, yet are not ovulating each month. This implies that their ovaries are not discharging an egg every month. Heavy, irregular vaginal bleeding. About 30% of women with PCOS have these symptoms. Hair loss from the scalp and hair growth. Hirsutism on the face, chest, back, stomach, thumbs or toes. About 70% of women with PCOS complain of these hair problems caused by high androgens level, depression or mood swing, acne and oily skin caused by high androgen levels. Gradual symptoms of PCOS are weight gain or upper body obesity, more around the belly than the hips. This is connected to high androgen levels. Repeated miscarriages. The cause for this is not known. These miscarriages may be linked to high insulin levels, delayed ovulation, or other problems such as the quality of the egg or how the egg attaches to the uterus. Inability to become pregnant, infertility. This is because the ovaries are not releasing an egg. Symptoms of a lot of insulin and insulin safety, which can incorporate upper body weight gain and skin changes. For example, skin tags or velvety skin patches under the arms, on the neck or in the groin and genital regions. Breathing problem while resting. This is connected to both weight and insulin safety. High blood pressure may be very normal in ladies with PCOS. particularly in the event that they are exceptionally overweight. Common reasons that bring women with PCOS to a doctor include menstrual problem, male type hair growth on the face and body, infertility, weight gain or upper body obesity. Pathyas, diet beneficial in PCOD are matsya, fish, kulatha, horse gram, tila, sesame, masha, black gram, gur, jaggery, takra, buttermilk, and dadi, that is curd. Lasuna, garlic, jiraka, cumin seed, and hingu, ferula in diet is beneficial in PCOD. These food items help in lowering the rise in blood sugar level. The diet plan should be made as per individual requirements and degree of insulin resistance. Lifestyle modification for PCOD. By following proper dinacharya, it is easy to cure PCOD. Ayurveda advises to choose low glycemic index food such as cauliflower, tomatoes, onions, peaches, apples, and grapefruit for those suffering from PCOD. Take minimum of 8 to 10 glasses of lukewarm water every day. Low calories, low fat, and high fiber diet is indicated. Avoid high saturated fat content diet. Restriction of junk food is another major aspect. Eating at regular intervals is strongly advised. Avoid stress and tension. Avoid alcohol and tobacco. Pranayam, breathing exercise are powerful to help calm the mind. Yoga can also help in weight loss, relieve stress, and improve blood circulation to the ovary, thus naturally curing PCOD. Treatment plans. Nidan Parimarjan is the first line of treatment in all types of diseases as per Ayurveda. Elimination of the cause is essential in treating and preventing diseases, especially PCOD. Ayurveda recommends Virechana, Purgation, Nasya, Shirodhara, and Uttarabasti for PCOD, along with diet and lifestyle modification. Weight loss and its management for PCOD patient with excess weight. Losing just 5 to 10% of the weight helps to regularize the cycles. This video is just for educational and informative purpose, and it should not replace your medical consultation. If you have any problem, it's always better to consult a registered Ayurveda doctor near you. Thank you.